Happy Sunday, friends and families. How are you all doing? I hope you all having a good time. So guys, I'm back today with a new video and a new recipe to share with you guys. It's my homemade cassava leaves stew that I've got to share with you guys today. And as always, if you guys watch the video till the end, you would love this recipe and you may want to give it a try. So my friends, without further ado, let me show you how to make it. So to get started, I've got into my cooking pan 300 grams of beef meat, and next I'm going to add some salt to taste, a mixture of blended onion and tomatoes, and I'm using one of each. And next is my homemade green seasoning, and I will be using 3 tablespoons of that, and I've already uploaded a video on YouTube to show you guys about how I make my homemade green seasoning recipe. I would link that video at the end of this video for you guys to see how I make my green seasoning recipe. So then I will give it a quick mix, and I will cover it and bring it to boil for 10 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 10 minutes since my beef meat is cooking, and I'm going to quickly give it a quick stir. And next I will be adding 3 tablespoons of diluted peanut butter, which I've diluted it myself using some water. And I'm going to add that into the meat, followed by adding my cassava leaves. And the cassava leaves I'm going to use today was frozen. Before I start to cook here, I have pre-boiled it, because I find out that when the cassava leaves is frozen, it doesn't really come out the way you want it when you cook it. So my advice, if the cassava leaves you are going to use is frozen, make sure to pre-boil it for at least 30 to 40 minutes depending of the quantity before you start to do your cooking. And I will be using 600 grams of cassava leaves for this recipe. And after stirring it, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of crayfish powder and a portion of dried smoked prawns. Searching for a longer day. And next I will be adding some fresh fish, and you can use any type of fish for this recipe. Then I'll follow up by giving it a mix. Like the light has just come. And once I finish mixing, I will add 1 Scotch bonnet pepper just to help infuse the cooking, as I'm still to add more peppers for those who would like more heat when the cooking is done. Okay guys, it's time to check the stew, and it's been 40 minutes since I'm slow cooking my cassava stew, and it's now almost cooked. And next I'm going to add in a small portion of blended fresh okra, which I've blended it myself. I will give it a quick mix, and after mixing it, I'm going to add more fish, and this time I'm adding fried fish. And again, you're welcome to use any type of fish when it comes to this recipe. Never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name. And I will give it a mix, and once it's well mixed, I'm going to add in some palm oil. Yes guys, the beauty of this dish is the palm oil. Take a look to how this stew looks with the palm oil on top. Isn't it delicious? Yum. So after adding the palm oil, I'm going to give it a mix. And once it's well mixed, I'm going to add more Scotch bonnet peppers. And for those who likes a lot of heat, this is the part you add your Scotch bonnet peppers, and you can add as many as you like. And if you don't like a lot of heat, you can just skip this part. Okay guys, it's finally time to check the last part of our cooking, and it's been 10 minutes since I'm slow cooking. And there you have it guys, our cassava leaf stew is done. Look at how yummy and delicious this stew looks. So it's time to proceed to start serving. And I will be serving this with white boiled rice, and I've got a video on YouTube already about how I cook my white boiled rice, and I would link that video at the end of this video so that you guys can follow up and see how I cook my boiled rice. Alright friends and families, I hope you've liked today's recipe, and if you did, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Also, if you ever tried the recipe, leave a comment in the comment section below to tell me how it turns out, and also share the video with your friends and family. And if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning up, and please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and also share the video with your friends and families. Alright friends and families, until then, I will catch up with you in my next video. Bye all.